Recording. Yesterday we completed till here, right?
Yes, sir.
Less time, parallelism, compressed back. Today we are going to learn about incremental backups. So incremental backups are two types: differential incremental, cumulative incremental. Differential incremental has two things again: level 0 and level 1. Cumulative incremental also we have level. Okay. So let's take scenario. Yesterday we already discussed the scenario. Sunday we take level 0 backup. Okay. Level 0 is nothing but differential. In differential only we have level 0. At 10 a.m. Monday we take level 1 backup. If you don't specify anything, by default it is differential. Tuesday, same. Okay, I'm just mentioning same. Level 1 backup. Wednesday also, Wednesday to again till Saturday, the same. Again Sunday level 0. So if you see here, if I take Monday level backup, okay, let's take an example. 500 GB we discussed. Monday, Sunday to Monday changes 10 GB. If you take Monday's backup, what will be the size of the Monday's backup?
10 GB.
10 GB. Then if you take the backup in Tuesday, what will be the size of the Tuesday's backup? Tuesday we take an incremental level 1, right? Okay. So incremental level 1 we taken. Then what is the size of the Tuesday's level 1 backup?
Maybe 20, sir.
No. Okay. So here Monday level 1 is taking the reference from Sunday level 0, right? Is it right?
Yes.
If we take Tuesday's level 1, Tuesday's level
Yes,
1
sir.
also should take the reference from the previous one, right? If you take the reference from previous one, Monday level 1, Monday to Tuesday the changes are like 10 GB. Then what will be the size of the Tuesday's backup? You
10
understood?
GB only.
Sunday to Monday changes 10 GB. Monday to Tuesday changes like 10 GB. Tuesday to Wednesday 10 GB. Wednesday to Thursday 10 GB.
Oh, it
In
won't
that
be
case,
added. Only the single.
okay, every time it will take the reference of the previous backup. Previous
Okay.
backup. Okay. Initially, first, suppose if you take the level 1 backup, it will search for the previous level 1. If the previous level 1 is not available, it will take the reference from the level 0. Okay, Sunday if you take the level 0, Monday if you take level 1, whatever the changes are happened, okay, whatever the blocks are changed between Sunday 10 a.m. to Monday 10 a.m., those will be backed up in the Monday level 1 backup. The same way, Tuesday. Tuesday, if you take the backup, if the like block changes are 10 GB, the size of the backup in Tuesday is 10 GB. The same like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. So level 1 differential always takes the reference of previous level 1, and if previous level 1 is not available, it will take the reference of previous level 0. Okay, it will take the reference of level 0, not previous level 0. Are you clear with this point? Any questions with this point?
No, sir.
Others? Any questions, any confusion? Okay. This talks about like differential level 0 and differential level 1. Okay. Yeah. Coming to the cumulative. Sunday level 0, the same. You are taking Monday level 1. Level 1 is nothing but it's a differential. Tuesday level 1. Wednesday we are taking level 1 cumulative. Okay. Sunday level 0. Monday level 1 takes the reference of Sunday level 0. Is it right?
Yes.
Tuesday's
Right,
level
sir.
1 takes the reference of
Monday's level 1.
Sunday's level 0. Is it right?
No.
Monday level 1.
Monday's level.
One more person has to answer.
Monday level 1, sir.
Monday level 1. Okay. So now Wednesday level 1 cumulative takes the reference of which backup?
Wednesday level 1 from starting Sunday.
Starting
Sunday level 0.
how can you able to identify?
Because it's a cumulative.
Okay. What is the meaning of cumulative?
Cumulative means suppose if you have the percentage of the semester 1 and semester 2
Hmm.
like this, we can calculate semester 1, semester 2, semester 3, all the things cumulatively. So, as the reference I said like that. Is it wrong?
Yeah, it's right. So cumulative backup takes the reference of level 0 always. Okay. Let's take one more example. Okay. So Wednesday level 1, Thursday again level 1 differential. Now you people has to answer. Okay. Friday level 1 cumulative. Now can someone tell what is the reference of this Friday's level 1 cumulative?
Wednesday's level 1.
Wednesday, sir. Wednesday level 1.
Wednesday level 1. Two people said Wednesday level 1. Others
Wednesday level 1.
Wednesday level 1. One more person left.
Wednesday level 1, sir.
Just now I told cumulative always takes the reference of level 0. Just like 10 to 15 seconds back I told. Okay. So now this Friday level 1 will take the reference of Sunday level 0
Level-
or Wednesday level 1
Sunday
cumulative.
level.
Sunday level 0, sir.
Sunday
Sunday
level
level 0.
And
Clear? So this is what the difference between cumulative backup and differential backup. Okay. So in real time, okay, so if you attend the interview, the people will ask you the question, what is your backup strategy? Okay. I simply tell this. Okay, don't mention anything, timings and all. Sunday, I take level 0 backup. From Monday to Saturday, I take level 1 backup. Okay, it is very, very easy. Okay, you can tell this also, but it's very, very difficult to tell the answer. So we have to go the easiest way to answer it. So your backup strategy is Sunday, we take the level 0 backup. From Monday to Saturday, we take the level 1 backup. Okay, every 1 or 2 hours, we take RK log backup. This is what the answer. Clear? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, it is very, very important. Another question is like, what is the size of your database? Okay. In your environment, like 10 to 15 databases you have, like or 50 to 100 databases you have. Out of it, so you have to tell what your maximum size of the database. Okay, we usually tell like 2 TB. Okay. If you tell 2 TB, they may feel like you are working in the real-time organization. If it is a 2 TB, the backup time will be like 8 to 9 hours based on parallelism. Okay, we set like, suppose let's assume like 6 to 8 channels. Okay, they may ask you a question, okay, how much time it will take. First, they will ask you the backup strategy, then what is the biggest database size, then they will ask you how much time it will take to it will take for taking the backup. You have to tell the answer 8 to 9 hours. Then again they may ask you how many channels you are using. Means channels is nothing but parallelism. You can say like 6 to 8 channels because you don't remember everything, right? Approximate answers you are going to tell. If you tell like fixed answers, they will feel like you are not a real time. You have to tell like approximate. Suppose if they ask you how many servers are there in your environment, you have to tell like 50 plus servers, 70 plus servers, around 70, around 60, around 80, around 100, or 100 plus servers. Like that you have to tell. Clear, everyone?
yes, sir.
Let's go to the practical steps. Okay. It's very, very easy. So I am not showing in depth of this. There are only 3 commands: backup, incremental, level 0 database. Okay. So this will take the backup of level 0. Okay, it is not possible to show like how it is taking the reference and all. That is theoretical, okay. Let's assume like we are taking the 500 GB backup. Next one. Backup incremental level 1 database. Backup incremental level 1 database. Okay. This is second statement. Finished. Okay. Now third statement. Backup incremental level 1 cumulative database. These statements completed, right? Okay, this is the way we take the level 0, level 1 and level 1 cumulative backups. If you don't mention anything, by default it is a differential backup. The next question is level 0 backup size is like 500 GB. Okay. Level 1 backup size is 10 GB. Let's take an example. For this, it takes 4 hours. For this, it takes 5 hours. Is it right?
No, sir.
How much
For 10
time?
GB, it's take less time.
It should take around 15 to 20 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes like that.
Okay, actually, it should take less than 10 minutes. Okay. But in real time, it will take 5 hours. Example I am taking. In real time, it will take 5 hours. The reasons are whenever you take level 1 backup, okay, RMAN has to scan all data file headers to get what are the blocks are backed up and what are the blocks needs to take the backup. Okay, for scanning and all, it will take like 4 hours. Like 50 minutes. For taking backup, it will take 10 minutes. You understood? You understood this point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to avoid this situation, Oracle is introduced a concept is called blockchain tracking. If you create blockchain tracking file, it will keep track of changed blocks information in that file. RMAN will directly read BCT file. What is that? Blockchain tracking file, and it will take the backup. Then the backup time will be reduced. Okay, reduced is nothing but reduce it to 10 minutes. Okay, this I cannot show because our database sizes are very, very less. So I can show only the possible option here is how to enable blockchain stack. That's it. Okay, I will show how to enable it. Alter database, enable blockchain tracking using file. You need to give the backup location BCT. That's it. My side it is already enabled. So it is enabled. I am enabling. Select star from $3 block underscore change underscore track. You can see this. So if you enable this, it won't take that much time. Okay. So it will take very limited time. You don't need to scan all the data file headers. Any questions? Anybody? Abhinav,
No, sir.
Parko.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, almost 90% RMAN concepts are done. Okay, few are pending. Okay. So one more class will be there. RMAN is easy or difficult or interesting?
It's interesting.
Interesting, sir.
Easy, sir.
Understandable, sir. It's comfortable.
So mostly next 3 days I won't be available. Okay. So I am traveling to my hometown. And tomorrow I will not take class tomorrow, day after tomorrow and Sunday. So I hope everyone is going to complete the practicals by Monday evening.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Monday evening we will complete entire RMAN. Okay. Then we will proceed with further classes from Tuesday. But RMAN is very, 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 very like in our like exams we mention essays like stars, right? Like that,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to mention RMAN is very, very important concept. Okay, like suppose if you ask like suppose there are like 30 to 40 concepts in database administration. If you ask which one is the important one, okay, I can say RMAN is very, very important one. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, in the previous exercises, we have a doubt regarding the SP file location.
Mhm.
So actually, the initially when show parameter SP file, if you enter the command, it is showing the the location file. So after that, we have changed that to move SP file to SP file dot old. So when we do that operation, it is showing string value is null. Again, we moved back to old to SP file. It should have to show that value, right? But it is not showing that value.
No,
If it is not,
after moving, you have to shut down and start up.
okay, that means the old SP file to normal SP file.
Yeah. Whenever you change the parameter file, okay, if you shut down and start up, then only that parameter file will be affected.
Okay.
Okay. when the
Okay, sir.
parameter file will be read. Okay, whenever you start the database, it will start reading the parameter file, right? If the database is already started with one of the parameter file, like P file. Okay,
Okay.
after the database is started, if you are trying to move and if you are trying to create SP file, okay, it won't use it. Okay, when it will use, if you shut down, then startup, it will search for both the files, SP file
So
and P file.
I can get the one scenario. So basically, when I was doing practice, in that there is a no SP file. So what I did, I created a SP file through P file. So after that, should I shut down
Yeah,
to? Okay.
if you shut
Okay.
down and start up, then only it will use SP file.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Whenever
Otherwise, it
you
will directly go to.
whenever you start the database, parameter file will be used only once.
Okay, sir.
Okay, suppose if you start the database now, okay, today is 15th February 2024.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now it is using
Mm.
P file.
Okay.
Next year 2024 same date.
Oh,
Okay,
25.
same date. If you see, still it is using P file. In
Okay.
between, you created SP file in August 2024. Okay, but
Okay.
it will not use. Okay,
Oh,
it will not use. If you shut down
huh.
and start up, then
Oh,
it will use the SP file. Because whenever you shut down and start up, then only it will read the parameter file. Parameter files are two types, P file and SP file. Okay, if both the files are exist in the DBS location,
it will take both for SP file.
it will prefer SP file. If the SP file is not present, it will prefer P file.
Okay.
Okay, if you start the database with P file, but
Huh.
if you create SP file in the middle, okay, you
Huh.
cannot use it. When you can use it, if you shut down and start up, because while you are starting the database, the SP file is not there, right?
Yes, sir.
After starting, you created the SP file. Then
Yes.
how the instance will come to know? Okay, it will not come to know. You created after the startup. Okay, if you shut down and start up, again it will search for the parameter file. First prefers SP
Okay.
file, then it will read SP file and it will start, then it will update in the show parameter SP file. It will show the value.
Okay. Got it.
So, sir, I have a small out of the box thing which I need to ask. Just 1 minute. Clusters and AWS, sorry, ASM, are we covering that into our subject or will it come under something else?
No, it's advanced concept rack.
Okay, okay, it comes under rack. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, thank you.
But the rack
Okay, sir, thank
course
you.
will be started, but the students will be less for rack course.
Okay, okay, sir.
The past, like when I was learning the course, everybody is learning rack.
Okay,
Okay, in the recent days, like due to Corona, okay, people are going with proxy interviews and all. They are learning only core and they are stopping it. But
okay,
if
sir.
you want to
But
search
rack is
for
also,
rack is also important.
yeah, okay. I just like today I got to know that these topics are important, and I'm not sure where in which category that comes. If it is rack, that I know a basic thing about rack. So I'll get back to you when we are talking about rack.
Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Others? Abhinav, any questions?
No, no, sir.
Fine. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.